Hi guys, this is Michelle Soto, known as Shelly, Director of Education for VBeauty Pure. And today I'm going to show you some tips on how to use our dust collector and also why you guys are going to love the dust collector on your working area. First of all, I love the design on the machine. It's perfect for your client to rest her hand. She's resting, you're resting your elbows also. That also includes in your positioning when you're sitting down. It's not gonna strain your shoulders or your back or your lower back. It also has a wider V grate that actually holds more dust and more of the space in your working area if it makes sense. So now, I put my dust collector at a low speed. We are going to imagine that we already finished the whole set. I remove my paper towel. Normally I put it here and the client basically holds it with her hand, or you can remove it and put it here. Now I'm going to go straight into filing, which is when I increase the speed of my dust collector. Honestly, that sound doesn't bother me at all. So look how that dust goes directly inside the V grate. It's not on top of me and it's not on top of my client, keeping your work area and yourself clean. So what we are filing, nothing of it is in our lungs, it's in our working area. Everything is nice and clean, and I love that feature about this. Now, changing your filter is extremely easy. We just grab the V grate with the filter, take it out of the machine, take off the V grate, and dump your dust. And that's only with one nail, and look the amount of dust that we have collected. So I hope you enjoyed this video on tips on how to use your dust collector. Make sure if you have any questions, use the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.